the world was looking for me. You looking for me? I'm right here. I swear to God, if you looking for me, anyone, I'm right here. Yep, baby, I'm right here. Anything that looking for me, I swear to God, never been a run in my here. So you better listen clear. I swear to God, who the fuck I am, bitch. I am who that I am. I'm not running from nothing. Let me tell you something. You better pay attention. Listen clear, listen clear. Anything that's getting in my way, I'm running over. I don't give a fuck. I'ma hit you, bitch. I'm a hit and runner, that is clear. And I don't need no one with me this year. Fuck it, if I let you go, you gone for the whole time. Until the motherfucking end when it's my due date for death. Other than that, anybody I let go, I'm not stitching you back. Fuck that. My sons, I told them what I'm doing next. Everything they mother doing, I gotta show them what I'm doing for them. For me and my sons, cause they need their mom. And I'd be goddamn if I fell as a mother and felt what my sons ring no alarm, bitch. Cause here what I come. See my plan that I locked in. I unlocked the plan, about to carry out the plan. In the player that I'm carrying, I solo and dolo one deep. I don't trust what no one, no I don't. See, I learned from last time, yeah I did. Family, motherfucking friends, yeah they hurt me in the end. But I said, well okay, I swear to God, man, I'm about to be fucking self-made. I don't give a fuck what's really fucking lurking for me. And if you lurking in the door, no you won't touch me. Cause listen clear, yeah my father told me here, whatever's burning in the wind, they won't get near me. I like field colors, I've been feeling it coming in the air all night. I've been ready for this fight. Bitch, you don't know who I am. I'm a motherfucking fighter. Every time I'm on the battlefield, I'm a frontline fighter. Man, ain't lost a war yet. Now I ain't lost one. How can I lose war to war when I got my father fighting the war with me? Undefeated, and if I did lose a war, that mean you headshotted me, you deaded me, and then you won. I'm not throwing up no white flag for nothing. Y'all know how I'm coming, not running my mouth, bitch. I'm lucky in the bucket. Y'all better pray and hope when you beefing with me, and then if the beef that you got threat, when you see me, that I live my life up in the light. Cause you don't wanna know what I turn to at night. I'm a demon. I'm a demon. Take heed to share, man. I'm about to show y'all something here.